Hello traders, how was the day today? Pretty crazy, right? We had a huge dump today, and let us see what happened. So we all know that we had that 5707.75 target on the monthly chart, right? The CPI bar went and got that directly. However, after that, we never got any follow through here. The plan today morning was pinned around the high of yesterday at the 91.25 line, and we were thinking that okay, we have gone up here. If we come down, if we bounce from here, we may break out 5707 and go up again. Otherwise, we'll create a trading zone between 9060 or 90 and 70. That was another possibility. The other option was if we break down the Globex level, then we may come and see the 5660 and then 5650, 5640, 5630. So those were the different targets that we had on the downside. However, this was the order block that we had right at the bottom here when we went up with the news bar. When we came down here, we bounced right from here, and this was the 930 bar, right? This was the first bar that created a kind of a doji. The second candle was also a doji here. The third candle went up pretty good, right? And here I started thinking that we are going to go and get into this order block again. So I went long above bar number 3. My stop loss was below this double bottom area between 1 and 3, and I was hoping that we will go and touch this box and then we will see what happens. However, if you look at the RTA chart, bar number 7 actually went and touched this wedge. I was still thinking that we will break out of that and we will go to this box, this area at 5698 or 5700. I was actually thinking we will touch 5700 again and it will fall. But right after that, we hit this wedge, and once we hit this wedge, we immediately trapped the bulls at the top, and we had a outside down bar. Right, so I had no option but to cut my losses here below this. I still did not go short here because I wanted to see one more candle, and the 20 EMA was right there. However, when this candle closed strong below the 20 EMA, I went short here. I went kind of heavy here. And then my first target was somewhere near the 70 area. I took profit on some of my contracts here, held on to some of them, and I was thinking that now we are going to get a measured move down. And the measured move down actually brings us to the 35 area, right? Or 35, 36 area. So I was holding my shorts for this whole time, and I finally came out of all my positions at 36, where the measured move was. And then the market went into a kind of a trading zone. It had the high around the 50 area and the low at 30. Now, if you see, we came down to 30 multiple times here. Multiple times we came and hit 30, right? And we were not breaking out of it. So on this double bottom here between bar number 54 and 55, I went long above this at 33. I took another contract long at 36, and I kept my stop loss at 29.25, right? A couple of ticks below the low of bar number 55, and I was trying to see if we can get to that 43 level again. We went to that 43 level, and I came out of both my contracts, and that was the last trade that I had. So the day was kind of pretty straightforward, and it went in a single direction. There were no reversal attempts, although there were some bull bars that happened here, but overall they did not get any follow through, and immediately they got trapped and the market kept on coming down. Now the best part is, we did not break down the 30 level, and we are above the 40 level right now. I would like to see that tomorrow we have PPI data again. I would like to see that we are holding this area overnight, and then we actually start bouncing from here and go up there, go up to the top again. Because if you see on the daily chart, so if we see on the daily chart, we will see that we have a outside down bar, but we could not close below the close of yesterday. It is still very bearish, but after this kind of a move, I think this was just the profit taking that happened, and I am still thinking that the price will come up and we will get another high, and we will hit this trend line here on the top, create the daily wedge, and then come out. Today, the 5707 was the monthly bulls profit target, and this was bound to happen, right? The monthly bulls were supposed to take profit. They took the profit. Now if they are out, and if we get below the 30 line, we may come and meet this 13 EMA here at 5589. Also on the daily chart, you never know, because this was a pretty strong bar. One more thing that I would like to show you is, if you look at this, these three bars, this particular bar of today, this bar and this bar, they had almost equal volume, right? Today was the maximum, but they had almost equal volume. Now on almost equal volume, if you see, we came down here and then we created a doji the next day and we kept going up. However, here we had 3 down days. We could not break down this 813 EMA cloud, and we kept going up again. So I am expecting that something like this or something like this may happen tomorrow. However, we have PPI that will again move the market. I will come back with the expectations video in the evening and see where the prices can go, what are the different support and resistance levels that we have created today. And based on that, we will create our plan again tomorrow morning and we will see where the price takes us. For now, that is all I have. Please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.